It seems I saw what happened yesterday. At night, when I go home, I saw something about breaks my heart. I just can feel love again. I feel today hurting my heart and broke and then fall apart. Yeah, girl, I see you have someone else. I see a man hugging you, kissing you, and loving each other when I come in the house. Yeah, girl, you're such a shame. You're such a fake. I think I just pretend that everything is okay with me. But when I remembered the day I was with you, that we were happy and there was no conflict, my world changed and my attitude seemed to ignore everything that happened to you. But I already say to you that I'm so kind of you, and I give everything for you as long as I with you. And there's more, I say to you that I'm not a womanizer. But, how could you lie to me? How could you exchange me? How could you betray me? Why are you breaking my heart? You should shame of yourself. Why did you let keeping our apart? You know, girl, I'm done.